Hey guys, Stephen Edward here. I hope everybody is having a great day. I want to talk to you about how to make a purchase offer for a house and make it with confidence. We all know this is a very stressful time in your life. Everybody's nervous. It's the biggest purchase you've ever made. I want to make it a bit more relaxing for you and tell you how you make that offer with confidence. First thing, before presenting or writing an offer, you want to make sure you have your pre-approval from the bank. If you're getting a mortgage, get pre-approved and have them provide you with a pre-approval letter. If you're a cash buyer, simply have proof of funds, a snapshot of a bank account that shows the balance that you can afford the purchase. There isn't a seller in the marketplace that's going to take your offer seriously without seeing a proof of funds with it. That's number one. Second thing that we can do is all of the purchase agreements in the marketplace today are standard. They all have the same legal verbiage. Some of them might be in a different order, but they're all basically the same. In one of the sections, there is an inspection contingency. This is where we're going to want to check the box yes, and that gives us 7 to 10 days to have the property inspected. What this does for us is it gives us an outlet in case there are multiple issues with the property. We check the box, yes, we want inspection contingency. If that offer is accepted, we now have 7 to 10 days to hire a contractor or an inspector to come in and inspect that property. My advice is to always have the inspector come out and inspect the property, because what it's going to do is give us a full itemized report on anything that's wrong with that property. With that report, we can then go back to the seller and say, I'm unhappy with the inspection. I would like these items repaired. If the seller does not want to repair those items, we have the option to get a discounted price on the house to compensate for the cost of those repairs. If the repairs are too much to deal with, we can simply put in writing, unsatisfied with the inspection, and you're out of the deal. This is how you can bid with confidence. You are not tied to the deal, and I advise all my clients to make their offers with the inspection contingency. If the inspection goes good, the next step is to deposit an earnest money deposit. Most offers, I have them put in their earnest money deposit. Earnest money deposit is simply a good faith deposit saying to the seller, here is my offer, here is my proof of funds or pre-approval letter, and here is the earnest money deposit to show I'm serious. That earnest money deposit only gets deposited at the title company if the offer is accepted. If that inspection goes well, we deposit that earnest money deposit at the title company and we go to the closing on that particular property. If you are an investor and you're looking to purchase an investment property, a rental property with a tenant in it, 9 times out of 10 you can't get into the house without an offer. So you have to make your offer based on the numbers. The house is $50,000, it brings in $900 a month rent, minus management, maintenance, etc., etc. You have to do the math. If the numbers sound good, you drove by the house, it looks decent from the outside, you write your offer with the inspection contingency and review of due diligence. This is a little extra when you have an investment property. Review of due diligence simply means we get a chance to look at the leases, the ledgers, the rent roll. Does the tenant pay on time? We get tenant information, possibly where they work. We know how much they're making so that we can make an educated decision to move forward with the property. That's how you can bid with confidence. You're not tied to the deal. If the numbers don't add up, you're unsatisfied with the inspection contingency and review of due diligence, and you're out of the deal. I hope these tips help make it a little more comfortable for you to purchase a house. If you are looking to purchase or sell a house, my name is Stephen Edward, and I would love to represent you as a client. If you'd like more information about me or my background, simply Google me at Stephen Edward Detroit. I'm on all the social media channels. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. I'm there. I'm everywhere you want me to be. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for watching.